What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at creating a bootable USB media installer for Proxmox backup server and booting to that installation media. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Just take a second, it really helps out the channel. We'll begin by downloading Rufus. Rufus is a free open source Windows utility to create bootable USB devices. Just go to rufus.ie and download the executable. I'll make this link available in the description. Next, let's download the latest version of Proxmox Backup Server ISO from proxmox.com. Next, connect your USB drive and open the Rufus executable. For the device option, select the drive of the USB you wish to write. Here we have a 64 gigabit drive. Under boot selection, keep the option disk or ISO image. Then click select and navigate to your Proxmox Backup Server ISO downloaded previously. If you see the ISO hybrid image detection message, you can click OK. Then press Start and acknowledge the warning. Note all data and partitions on your USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK. And click OK again. This process will take some time depending on your resources. Once completed, connect your USB device to your server. We are using a Supermicro server in this example. Power on your server, and you could use your console or IPMI to get the boot menu. Press F11 to get the boot selection options. Our USB drive is the generic flash disk, which we will select. Press Enter. And we have successfully booted into the Proxmox Backup Server USB installation. Thank you for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Check out some of our other Proxmox or Supermicro videos in the channel. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and see you in the next video. Let's Ninja fix it.